Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share one of my secrets with you. बहुत सारे लोग लिखते हैं मुझे कि प्लीज़ हम बताइए कि आप अपनी हेल्थ के लिए क्या करती हैं, अपनी स्किन के लिए क्या करती हैं, आपकी ब्यूटी सीक्रेट्स क्या हैं। तो आज मैं एक सीक्रेट शेयर करने जा रही हूँ, दैट इज़ जूसिंग। I learned to juice when I went to an institute in America. It's a health institute. It's called Hippocrates. तो वहाँ जब मैं गई तो उन्होंने यही सिखाया कि juicing is the best thing to do for our bodies. हम जब खाना खाते हैं, for example, if we have rice or carbohydrates like roti and bread etc., हमारी bodies बहुत slow हो जाती हैं. We are very sluggish. हमें energy नहीं रहती. But if we juice raw vegetables and fruits, उससे हमारी इतनी एनर्जी प्रिजर्व होती है बिकॉज ऑल दिस ब्लड गोइंग फॉर डाइजेशन जो है वो ये नहीं होता कि ब्लड डाइवर्ट हो रहा और हमारी एनर्जी कम हो जाए या हमारी ब्रेन जो है ज़रा स्लो चले। तो इट्स द एक्सेलेंट मोस्ट एक्सेलेंट थिंग टू डू इज़ जूसिंग टू गेट ऑल द हेल्दी इंग्रेडिएंट्स एंड नॉट वेस्ट आवर एनर्जी ऑन अ लॉट ऑफ डाइजेशन। सो आई लव juicing. I got into the habit और मैं दिन में I do it a couple of times at least, if not more. आज मैं एक जूस रेसिपी आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहूँगी। So आइए जूस बनाते हैं हम। The first ingredient is spinach. We use spinach in this juice. The second ingredient is celery. Very healthy, a lot of water content. And I love celery. It's one of my favorite vegetables. The third vegetable that I use is cucumbers. Again, high water content and extremely beneficial for you. I use one fruit in it, and that is apples. Nice juicy apples. And the two other ingredients I use are ginger and some lemon. It's going to give that zing to it, so I love lemons too. So here we go. I'm going to make the juice. The first content is spinach. Spinach prevents cancer. It reduces blood sugar and hypertension. It's very good for weight loss and very beneficial for bone density. So that's one of the first ingredients I use. Second ingredient is celery. It's a great source of antioxidants and vitamins. It reduces inflammation and helps digestion. So again, one of my favorites. The third ingredient is cucumbers. They have a high water content. They reduce blood sugar and they're really good to hydrate our bodies. The fourth content is apples. Apples, as you know, are a great source of iron. Next is ginger. Ginger is again good for lowering blood sugar, good for our hearts, good for weight loss as well too. And nausea, if you guys have nausea or bad digestion, indigestion is very good for indigestion as well too. So that's the next ingredient. Last but not the least is lemons. They are a great source of vitamin C. They prevent cancer, good for weight loss. One of my favorites. I love lemons. Okay, I'm going to start making the juice now. So here we go. We're going to add celery first. Here we are adding some celery. See, this juicer is really excellent. This is a masticating juicer. What happens with this is कि जो nutrients है इसमें destroy नहीं होती. It's really amazing. You can purchase it online, or if you're traveling overseas. I don't know Pakistan में भी मिलता है कि नहीं, but yeah, it's a good one. You can order online. Here we go. हमारे vegetables हो गए. Now we're going to put our fruit in next. Here goes our apples. I'm not going to put the lemon in. We're just going to squeeze the juice, lemon juice, and add afterwards. So the juice is ready, guys. Here it is, and I'm going to have some in front of you. I give this juice to all my children, especially my little Shanur. I give her a little bit of it and she loves it. Here's to all of you. If you like the juice, if you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.